play the ball. The question I would ask, Waar was J?
Marikana.
Waar was J? Where were you?
Ngandza kwethu sesikhulume konke ngomnumzane uRamaphosa, abantu besho lokya nalokya, abanye ke bekhetha yena, abanye bengamkhethi ekubeni ke abe ngupresident. Kodwa kule speech ke sakhe kwi-debate ebhekene nomnumzane Julius Malema, ngifuna nje ukumshayela ihlombe njengoba ke nawe uzoyizwela ukuthi ke uvesani wabhekana ngqo noMalema, wampheka ngemibuzo enzima kakhulu ngalendlela ukuthi ke ngisho iFF ibonile ukuthi hayi namhlanje ke ikhale ngaphansi ngoba phela awusoze wahlala kusesicongweni zonke insuku, ngelinye ilanga nje uyoke ke ushone phansi. Hayi ke kulokhu bambhonye ngempela uMalema, bambuzela ukuthi ke waye kuphi, bembuza ke ngesibhunu empini ke okanye ke indabeni ke zomarikana, baphinde futhi ke bamkhuza okanye ke uphinde futhi umnumzane uRamaphosa wamkhumbuza ngodaba lokuthi uMalema wathuka ke ubaba wakhe ethi ke wayiphoyisa isel out, waphinde futhi ke waveza ukuthi ke yena akasoza akwenza lokho ungamhloniphi umuntu omdala, ikakhulukazi yena uMalema nomndeni wakhe. Usho nje into eziningi ngesingisi futhi ke simple kakhulu, washintsha ke izilimi efaka ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke isivenda kanye nesisuthu. Ngizocela nje ukuthi uyizwele yonke le video bese uqedile wenze iqiniso ukuthi uyasubscribe, uyalike bese uyacomment sidibana ku video elandelayo.
It is time to get South Africa working again. Now I want to conclude on dealing with one issue which I think needs to be observed in our debates in Parliament. It's important, Honorable Malema, that as we debate, we should play the ball and not the man. Now, you spent a considerable amount of time playing me, the man. What is important in building this country is to play the ball of development. You spend a lot of time talking about how the National Union of Mine Workers was formed. I would like you to read some books, but more importantly, I would like you to spend time to talk to people like Gwede Mantashe, who was a miner, who was one of the first members of the National Union of Mine Workers. I would like you to speak to people like James Mutlatsi, who was the president of the National Union of Mine Workers. It's a pity that Elijah Bahai, a stalwart in our struggle in the African National Congress, has passed on. I would like you to speak to people like Salai, who is in Lesotho. I'd like you to speak to people like Director Matlala. I'd like you to speak to many members of the NUM who on the 2nd of December 1982 got together in Klerksdorp to form the National Union of Mine Workers. And as they formed that union, they said, we are building a shield and a spear that is going to improve the lives of mine workers. And they did exactly that. And this Anglo-American that you quote suffered the greatest brunt of the actions of mine workers. 5 years later after formation, being the largest union in this country, they embarked on a 21-day strike and stopped the entire mining industry in this country. And you call that a sellout position. That was not. Speak to Mondli Gungubele, who was a member of the NUM. Speak to many others. So in doing what you do, play the ball. The question I would ask, Waar was J?
Marikana.
Waar was J? Where were you? Now, this is an important lesson. An important lesson.
Order, honorable members. Order, honorable members. Honorable members.
Marikana.
Honorable members, can you please be in order? Honorable members, I wish to remind you Those of you who are making noise Friday, you requested the presiding officers to protect each and every one of you. Can we please be magnanimous and do exactly that? If you have got a point of difference, a point of debate, you have an opportunity when you take the platform in the debates to do so. Can we please allow the President to finish his address?
Honorable Malema, nalwena re na lo hwetša nako ya gore re dule fatshe re bolele. Ke nyaka gore re iphe nako mokgomana mošabi re ke re dule fatshe re bolele ka politiki gagolo politiki yane ya kgale e ke bonang gore a o e kwešišiše gabotse e ke bonang kare o na le wa itse wa fatlega ke nyaka gore re dule fatshe go etsetsa eng go etsetsa gore ha o ema mo o iphe nako ya gore o bolele ka seo se tla isang ditaba tsa rena kwa pele. You know, o ile wa ema mo some 2 years ago wa roga papa wa ka wa re papa wa ka ne ile leponisa. And yes, I'm proud to have been the son of a policeman, a very good policeman. Ke boletse le nkgono wa hao and nka se ke ka ema mo ka roga nkgono wa hao ka ba ne ke mo tlhompha le wena ke a go tlhompha. Ke bolela so ka obane go tshwanetse gore ha re le politiking re itehesi sa uri re thomphane re sumbedze uri re ne zwine ra khozita ndi zwine zwa ḓo isa lushaka lwashu phanḓa. Hezwi zwe wa zwi amba hafha ndo wana uri a zwi ngo fara nne fhedzi hambi zwo fara na vhathu vhanzhi hambi. So kha ri dzule fhasi nne na iwe ri ambe zwavhuḓi nga uri holu lushaka ri nga lu fhaṱa hani. Ni helela kwala ndi a livhuwa. Thank you very much.